Okay, folks, we're back. As promised, we opened up the Ultra 5 version of the Lenovo Gen 12. Now we have the Ultra 7 version. Obviously, there's internal differences with the processor, but let's see if there's any physical differences. Same packaging as the last on the Ultra 5. Documentation. USB-C charger. Newer format, ultra small and lightweight adapter. USB-C. And now, let us inspect the unit itself. Let's see if it has any physical differences. As we notice here, Lenovo does not significantly change their traditional look since the IBM days. It's that matte, black matte look with the red accents in the logos. There is one thing noticeably different with the look of this new line. I'm sorry, of this X1 line. This new model, the Generation 12, has something noticeably different. This notch where the camera resides. First of all, it sticks out, you can see that, but if you can look closely, it has something that looks like Japanese stainless steel. It has these lines with almost like a rainbow effect look as well. So it's a very subtle but beautiful professional addition to the overall aesthetics of this laptop. Inside we have the camera with camera shutter. You can block out your camera if you wish with just the flip of a finger. We have the traditional Lenovo red mouse pointer. We also have a 5 1/4 inch diagonally touchpad. Let's review the ports. On the side with the power button, we have USB-A and a full-size HDMI port, as well as a 3.5 millimeter audio output jack, and the power button. This notch here is if you want to secure it with a lock to your desk. Back is a little squarish look as opposed to the front where it's a more angled, tapered look, providing a nice thin ultra mobile. They're calling this the slim line, or ultra slim notebook, they call this format. So again, on this side we have the 3.2 USB-A. We have the USB-C ports, 2 of them, running on the 4.0. Obviously, one of these ports is where your charger would go. We have fan ports on the bottom, and we have the traditional pinhole here. Many people don't know, IBM typically has this pinhole here that you can put a paper clip in or something similar in size to reset the system, sort of like a cold boot. It's called the battery out reset. Basically, back in the day, you used to be able to pull the battery out of a laptop when it's really jammed up and it's not responding to any of your normal reboots from the power buttons. You can pull your battery out, put it back in. That's essentially what that pinhole does. Resets it. I do notice on this model they actually put a symbol next to it. It looks like the restart symbol. Now people can actually know what that button is for. or that port or hole is for. Let's power this on, shall we? Oh, no life, no juice, no battery, and completely depleted. So we're going to plug it in. We're going to get an indicator that it's charging. Then we're going to go ahead and turn it on. So this model here is the Ultra 7. It has the 165U vPro processor, running 32 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte hard drive on the G4P solid state. We have the Intel Wi-Fi 6 adapter in here. It's the AX211. It's 2x2. And this unit, because it's Windows 11, comes with the Bluetooth 5.3 as opposed to the Windows 10 version that comes with the 5.1. The camera is a 1080p Full HD, IR, and RGB with privacy shutter on this 14-inch WUXGA monitor. There you have it, ready to set up. These are maintained the touch screen as the previous line, very smooth, very responsive, very crisp. Thank you.